Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to check if your charger port on your iPhone or your iPad or your iPod is actually broken, where you need to go and replace it, or if it's just an easy fix that you can fix right now. Basically, I'll try and save you some money by following a few very simple steps. But before we get started, the main reason that I'm making this video is because I own a used cell phone store, sales/repair, and the amount of times customers came in for a charger port, but it wasn't actually the charger port that was damaged, is tremendous. Everyone thinks that their charger port is bad, but there's a very common issue with all the lightning port that basically the charger port gets clogged up and not allow the phone to charge. And there's a very easy fix, and I'll get right to that. But what a lot of people will do is they will go ahead and just replace their charger port right away without even going through these steps. So what most of the time the issue is your charger port is clogged. We have one phone right over here that has a clogged charger port, and I was able to get it to charge by pushing the charger deep in, and it's hard. It will not, the charger port won't stay in, the phone will just, yeah, it won't charge. So what happens basically is your phone going from one pocket into another, from one purse into another, a whole bunch of dust particles and lint goes right in here in your charger port, and it just builds up, and basically this just keeps, the charger port keeps getting the charger keeps getting pushed out more and more until it reaches the point where it won't even charge. So what I do is I use a SIM card tool, or a SIM card removal tool, and get all the lint out. What will also work is a paper clip. You just go in there and kind of pull it out piece by piece. There we go. I got a big piece in here. That was basically from jeans. Over time, it builds up, and you keep pushing it in with your charger, and that happens. So let's go ahead and try charging it now. You can see it's charging now, and the charger cord is all the way in, nice and snug, unlike how it was a couple seconds ago. So if your phone is not charging, before you do a charger port replacement, which probably would cost you, I mean, we charge $40, other shops charge 60, 70, 80, and up from there. So go ahead and try this out before you do a charger port replacement. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you guys out, go ahead and click the thumbs up. Let other people know that this could be your issue as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.